Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a 3D text. At the end of this video you will be able to create this 3D text yourself. File, new, set the width, height, resolution and select OK. Click here, solid color, select one color from here. Select OK. Select horizontal type tool. Select the font. Set the size and write your text here. Bring it in the middle. Right click on your text layer and duplicate layer. Select OK. Select this layer, bring this and drag and drop this here on the group. Now 3D must be selected, or you select 3D layer. Select this layer, select down arrow key, click on this and click on left arrow key. Close this now. This is selected and press Ctrl, Shift, Alternate and T button from your keyboard. Repeat. Ctrl, Shift, Alt must be pressed and keep repeating the T. Select this layer, press Shift from your keyboard and select the first layer. Layers, merge layers. Click here and click on color overlay. Click on these. Select black color and select OK. Select OK. This is a simple 3D. You can make a simple 3D like this yourself as well.